Welcome back to Grow My Savings. We've all heard about passive income, the dream of making money while you sleep. But here's the truth. Not all passive income leads to freedom. Freedom isn't just earning money automatically. It's about creating choices. The freedom to spend your time how you want, not how your job demands. So today, we'll break down how to turn passive income into real financial freedom. Step by step, even if you're just getting started. Passive income isn't completely set it and forget it. In the real world, it's money that continues to flow with minimal ongoing effort after your initial setup. That could be dividends from investments, rental income, affiliate marketing or online products, or even royalties from creative work. The key is you build it once, maintain it occasionally, and let it grow steadily. Step 1. Cover your basics. Start by using passive income to cover small bills. Your phone, your groceries, maybe rent. Once your essentials are covered without lifting a finger, you're on your way to independence. Step 2. Reinvest your earnings. Instead of spending those early profits, reinvest them, either into growing your existing stream or building new ones. This is how wealth compounds. Your money starts earning its own income. Step 3. Diversify your streams. Don't rely on just one. Have multiple sources, investments, digital assets, small business income, maybe property. That way, if one slows down, the others keep you stable. Step 4. Automate and simplify. Use automation tools, direct deposits, investment apps, or scheduled transfers to make your passive income system truly hands-off. True freedom isn't just about earning without working. It's about aligning your money with your purpose. When your passive income covers your needs, you can spend your days doing what matters. Time with family, building new ideas, traveling, or simply resting without guilt. It's not about being rich, it's about being free. So keep planting those income seeds, keep reinvesting, and let your wealth grow quietly in the background. If this inspired you to start building your freedom plan, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who dreams of living life on their own terms. Thanks for watching Grow My Savings.